How to find Emirates Skywards membership number. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Emirates Skywards membership number. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up a browser on your device and then search for Emirates. Then here you will see the Emirates website. Tap on it. Then here tap on the profile icon in the top right side. Then enter here your email address or Emirates Skywards number and enter password here and tap on login. And after you are logged in, here tap on your profile in the top right side, and here you will see your Emirates Skywards number. So this is your Emirates Skywards number. So this is how you can find your Emirates Skywards membership number. Thanks for watching.